and it brought in an extra, I believe it was like $13,600 or $13,800. And I got to tell you, that's as close as you can get to free money. The joy of having SamCart is I actually don't have a website, and I generated over $400,000 in revenue last year with no website. At the time, I had no idea how much money I was losing by only offering PayPal, or even how much money I was investing with my web developer, at $85 an hour every single time I needed something. And it also prevented me from getting things done like that. Down SamCart and no longer need to have a developer program anything for me. And it's just made my life so much easier. And we increased the average sale price from $297 to $374. And it brought in an extra, I believe it was like $13,600 or $13,800.
Sweet.
And
yeah.
And I got to tell you, that's as close as you can get to free money. And I didn't believe it. Like, she found that number somewhere and I'm like, wow, I can't believe it's so high. But we came in at 60%, I think it was, for our order bump, and then 40% for the upsell.
Those numbers are smashing. That's the money that's usually the icing on top of the cake. And I'm super glad you guys finally got around to implementing it. How long do you think it's going to take you to do it again the next time you sell something?
I'm going to do it every single time.
So not another 7 years waiting around without one.
No, I may be slow, but I'm not stupid. So yeah.